I'm Sean Noonan.
And I'm Helena Noonan.
And we're with the Noonan team at Compass.
We're here today at 28 Tropez in Laguna Niguel. It's actually in one of our favorite communities around here, in Laguna Sur. You have to come up here to experience the Laguna Sur lifestyle.
One of our favorite things about this unit is it's a Plan 6, which is the largest floor plan on the tract. It's been extensively remodeled throughout, and the owners have made some significant custom upgrades, including modifying the floor plan from the original layout. They've added some beautiful 8-foot windows here to maximize the exposure, and they've remodeled the unit top to bottom.
The original floor plan is very closed in. There's a galley kitchen that closes up a lot of this living space. In this particular unit, the owners have completely opened up that wall and added this massive counter space here that is great for entertaining.
One of the most compelling things about this community really is the lifestyle. You'll notice behind the gates here in Laguna Sur, we've got tennis courts, we've got 2 pools, spa, pickleball courts, and just outside the gates, we've got miles of hiking trails in addition to sea view and Badlands parks.
Yes.